So you're thinking about selling your home. Did you know a combined online and print advertising campaign is influential in selling properties faster and for a higher price? So here are the facts from Australia's leading property analysis companies. This is research totally independent of real estate, media and banking interests. RP Data and CoreLogic surveyed more than 850,000 property sale contracts across Australia over a 2-year period. They analysed each contract, the starting price and the eventual sale price, the number of days it took to sell, and whether each property had marketing programs online or in print and online combined. This research clearly showed that properties advertised in both print and online attracted a higher price and sold in a shorter time frame. When selling, we all want the highest possible price in the shortest possible time. And of course it makes sense, the more competition you can attract, the higher the price you can achieve. To create this competition, you need to reach two distinctively different types of buyers. The first are the internet bargain buyers. They've been looking for months to find their perfect home at the lowest price. They're familiar on price because they've seen every home in the online market and have been to dozens of open homes. They're well informed and acting on logic. The second group are the emotionally connected buyers. These buyers are not necessarily in the market, but they're avid readers of publications such as My Weekly Preview and always flick through the property section to see what's going on. When they see something they like, they can fall in love quickly and will typically pay more than the internet bargain buyer. They're acting on emotion. To attract the best price the market will pay for your home, you need both buyer groups competing against each other. The combination of a print and online campaign does the job. It creates the competition you need for that higher sale price. Imagine for a moment you're a buyer. You've been searching in magazines, newspapers and online to find your perfect property. You find it and head to the open home. When you arrive, there's a street full of cars and a lot of groups walking through. It's listed at $750,000 and you love it. What's your first offer? It should be close. You don't want to miss out.
This would be great for the kids.
Yeah, it would.
There's so many people here though.
I know. Do you think they'd take $735?
Now let's look at the same home. Different scenario. This time there's only one car, the agent's. You think to yourself, we love the home and no one's here. Let's put in a low offer.
I really like it.
There's no one else here. Let's go in low. We'd like to make an offer? $690.
These two different scenarios play out across the Sunshine Coast every weekend. Agents that believe in the value of attracting both buyer groups typically create more competition. These agents always offer print and online because they want what you want, the highest price the market will pay. A small investment in a print and online campaign will help create the competition your property needs. If your agent is suggesting you save money on a print campaign, think again. They could be costing you tens of thousands of dollars. Remember, you're selling. This is a time for making money, not saving it. So talk to your agent about My Weekly Preview and your marketing strategy. To make finding the funds a little easier, there are payment plans available where you pay no money up front. You'll be investing in a better outcome.